Welcome to this update. So let's see the severe weather for today. There are two enhanced risks, one in parts of northern Illinois and far eastern Iowa, and other one in Texas and Oklahoma there. So tornado threat is 5% in the northern areas and 2% from Texas to Wisconsin. Wind is 30% in the enhanced risk there and 15% from Texas to Michigan, and 5% there, all the way to the coast. And hail is 30% hatched there in Texas and Oklahoma, and 15% hatched all the way to southern Missouri. So, enhanced threat corridors exist for severe thunderstorm gusts this morning from eastern Iowa over southern Illinois, and hail, some very large, this afternoon and evening from eastern Oklahoma to north Texas. So this is the HER model here. You can see that line of storms there in Iowa and northern Illinois and Wisconsin. It's happening now in the morning, and the low pressure there with some snow in North Dakota and parts of Canada, and some freezing rain scattered there. And then the storms continue there, some more fire in parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri later today, and then more storms by this afternoon or something. So you can see more storms there in Illinois, in Wisconsin, all the way to Michigan there, and other areas, and then it dissipates a little bit. Now the south here, we have some storms there in parts of Tennessee and in Arkansas and some areas there. Then those might continue there in parts of Illinois, Tennessee, northern Mississippi there. Then you see some firing in Texas by the afternoon, and in southern Oklahoma there. Some strong ones possibly there, mainly large hail and stuff, and more in Oklahoma there, in southern Missouri, some strong ones in Texas, more there by this evening maybe or night. In parts of Missouri there's a strong line, so be aware. So that's for today, and this might get updated later today or something. And so if you want to see the updates and everything, visit this page or visit our Discord in the description. We will post all the watches there. They get issued most of the warnings too when we can, so make sure to check that. So this is day 2 for Saturday. Tornado, they just added a 10% hatched in Oklahoma and southern Kansas, a 5% and a 2% for tomorrow. Wind, a 30% hatched in parts of Kansas and western Missouri, like some areas there, 15% and 5%, and also these two other areas here of 5%. Hail, 30% hatched and 15% hatched in Kansas and Oklahoma, in southernmost Nebraska, and that the other area 5% there. So severe thunderstorm development appears likely across parts of the central southern Great Plains by Saturday evening, so this should start later by the evening. This probably will include a few supercells initially, before the storms get involving into an organizing cluster overnight, accompanied by a risk of large hail, few tornadoes, and severe wind gusts across Kansas and Oklahoma into western Missouri. So that's for Saturday. Be aware. Now for Sunday, they added that enhanced risk there. And there's the 30% hatched there for significant severe weather. Let's see. There's an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms Sunday into Sunday night across parts of southeastern Iowa, eastern Missouri, much of central southern Illinois, much of central southern Indiana, and central Kentucky, western and central Kentucky. Severe thunderstorms are likely Sunday into Sunday night across parts of the middle Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys. This is a short description. Oh, okay, so here you have it. Now, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, nothing. So, let's see some other topics. Now this topic, it just got interesting for southern Texas. We have some excessive heat warnings there for southern Texas and heat advisories too. Some red flag warnings there. I think that's an air quality advisory in purple there. No, that's not purple, that's gray. In gray, severe thunderstorm watches there, some flood watches, some wind advisories and more. And now here, the map for today, for tomorrow, and for after tomorrow. Today, tomorrow. And then precipitation here, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 1 through 7. Now excessive rain, a slight risk there in parts of from Texas to western Mississippi, a marginal there, and another marginal there. Day 2, a slight and 2 marginals. Day 3, a slight and a marginal. Day 4, they have a slight there in the northeast, a marginal there too. And day 5, there are marginal. So, snowfall, not much, it has gotten better. And let's see some temperatures now. Look, especially in Mexico, there's some very hot temperatures in parts of Mexico there, and especially those areas there near Texas and eastern Mexico, some 107, 109 temperatures, very hot there, and all the way to the Yucatan Peninsula there. In Guatemala, very hot too, kind of hot in Honduras and Costa Rica, and the Yucatan Peninsula. So these are the maximum temperatures for today. This is tonight, and then let's see. Oh, look at that, very hot. So let's see here. The heat indices. This is very high for Mexico there, and southern Texas, even Florida, and most of the south there. So be careful with these temperatures too. Stay safe.